What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video today. Today we're doing a review on the Nike Air Max Plus, and these are pretty nice. They're pretty dope. I really like the design. I like how they kept, the original Air Max look, and like they have a lot of colorways. I got the gray and white colorway. They have plenty of colors. I think they have like blue, black. Got a size 10.5 in the shoe. And I just feel like this shoe is like, we wear all around, pants, shorts, great for the season. I really like these. These are pretty dope. I like the sole of the shoe. It's got a great structure to the shoe. They got the inside sole is pretty nice also. It's comfortable. The TN, Nike Air Max TN logo right there on the side of the shoe. They also got the back and also the bottom, which is pretty cool. They also have this pattern going at the shoe of the Air Maxes. This is pretty dope. And this shoe is very comfortable. I ordered these out from Foot Locker. They have a good deal on them right now. They got them on sale. It's also a coupon or a code, promotion code that you can use and get them cheaper. Great price for the shoe. I think I paid like $89 for these. Great price for these. And I like these Air Max because I feel like they'll last longer and they're very durable. But yeah, these are pretty nice shoes. I was always a big fan of Air Maxes since like the 95, 93s. So these right here is pretty dope to me. I will order some more of these shoes and finna try them on.
They don't understand, man, they can't walk in my pair. Made a band in the day, trapping records. God say this from no robbery,